Mr. President, panelists and delegates, good governance is the cornerstone of effective prison management and a well-functioning justice system, with failures of governance increasing the risk of human rights violations, often linked to overcrowding and over-incarceration. Despite the undoubtedly negative impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, the justice sector, often characterized as slow and overly bureaucratic, was required to act fast and demonstrate flexibility and innovation. In the early days of the pandemic, many countries saw enhanced cooperation and coordination between justice sector actors in an effort to control the spread of COVID-19 in prisons and maintain the core functions of justice systems where possible. This timely and effective collaboration should and can be possible beyond the immediate COVID-19 response and can provide important lessons for longer-term systematic reform. In many places, new technologies were introduced or rapidly expanded to facilitate virtual court hearings and paperless court case management systems, ultimately reducing prison populations, as well as for maintaining family contact, providing meaningful activity, and sharing information with people in prison and their families. If sustained with appropriate human rights safeguards in place, such changes in governance can allow prisons not only to prepare and respond better to future pandemics and other emergency situations, but also to function more effectively on a daily basis, including to protect the human rights, health and well-being of people in prison and the working conditions for staff. We thank you for today's discussion and call on the Human Rights Council, Member States and all stakeholders to ensure people deprived of liberty and those working in places of detention are not left behind in efforts to learn from the experience of the pandemic to protect human rights and ensure the achievement of the Sustainable Development Goals. Thank you.